What's up, everybody? It's HW Slab Crusher 2020 coming at you again. I'm in my garage messing with my big Dio. Getting ready to make some cool videos or some stuff I've been thinking about with my trucks and tractors and pretty much everything I got in here. But before I get into all that, I want to do a series of videos. My first wheel swap for 2018. This is a Matchbox Porsche Cayman. Matchbox Porsche Cayman. Did a wheel swap on it. What I used was the Fast and the Furious. I think it was a 1/64 scale Fast and the Furious car. I'm pretty sure y'all seen them at Walmart, Target, and Toys R Us and all them other places. It was on the Maserati. I actually used this same set of wheels on one of my 1/64 scale Bentleys. Matter of fact, on my Mulsanne. But yeah, here it is. First wheel swap of 2018. Today is January the 26th. So, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a wheel swap every month. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at Hot Wheel Slab Crusher, Crusher with a K. All one word. Peace.